foul. And Billy's going to be the taste tester because hi, welcome to Mama Deb's kitchen. Tonight I am making pulled pork sandwiches. So here we are, we're prepped already, so let's get right into it. I have in here a pork loin. You can use a pork roast or a pork butt, a pork shoulder, but I'm using a pork loin, a pork butt, B-U-T-T. Okay, not an ass, a butt, a pork butt.
You're an ass.
Yeah, you're an ass. So,
nice comeback.
I already have the pork in here. It's sitting in like a little bit of barbecue sauce down there because on the recipe that I'm using today, the barbecue sauce comes at the end. And this is the barbecue sauce I always use. I've used this since I've been on keto and I love it. It tastes just as good as any other barbecue sauce, and we're already putting sugar in this recipe, so I don't want to add more sugar with the barbecue sauce. So in here, I have a half a cup of low sodium chicken broth and a third of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Here is the spices. I have 2 teaspoons each of garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a little bit more than a teaspoon of salt. And what else? Am I missing anything? No, I think I did very, oh, and then 2 teaspoons of ground mustard. So I think I did pretty good for memorizing all of that. Okay, so I'm going to just combine all this together in here. I'm going to throw in the brown sugar. Oh, this is going to be interesting, I think.
The zebra part of it.
That's your daughter, Zebra. I keep her little zebra here. Okay, so I'm just going to pour this right into here. And I'm going to turn it on high for 4 hours until it's shreddable. And then voila. Easy, easy peasy. Yeah. That's my saying now. Easy peasy crockpot meal. We'll just see how this tastes later. So we'll be back. Welcome back to Mama Deb's kitchen. The pulled pork is ready. This is it in the crock pot. Party foul. And Billy's going to be the taste tester because no one else is here right now. Get this out of the way. There you go. I just drizzled more barbecue sauce on it for you for flavoring.
Just take it.
Just take it.
Just attack it.
I would just, yeah, go for the side right. Tell me the flavoring of the meat because I didn't put a lot of barbecue sauce in that thing because I didn't want to overpower it with barbecue sauce. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's definitely not overpower with barbecue sauce. I mean, it's the right amount.
And you like the seasonings in the meat and everything?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. All right. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.